Welcome to our Entex TV. Today we will learn living things and non-living things. We see many things around us. Some are living things and some are non-living things. Living things. Things that have a life are living things. Animals, humans, and plant. Non-living things. Things that do not have a life are non-living things. Books, car, table, etc. Living things can grow, they can move, they can breathe, they can reproduce, they need food and water. They can feel. Non-living things cannot grow, they cannot move, they cannot breathe, they cannot reproduce, they do not need food and water. They cannot feel. All living things can grow. All living things grows over a period of time. A baby grows into a child, then into a man. A seed grows into a plant, which finally grows into a big tree. Living things can move. Human beings and animals move with the help of their legs. Fish move with the help of fins. As plants cannot move, they move in the direction of the sun. Plants are able to towards sunlight. Living things can breathe. Humans breathe through the nose. Insects breathe through air holes in their body. Living things can reproduce. All living things give birth to their babies. Chicken come out from the eggs. Mother gives birth to a child. Living things need food and water. Living things eat food. They need food to stay alive and to grow. Human beings depend on plants and animals of their food. Plants make their own food by using air, water and sunlight. Living things can feel. All living things can feel changes around them. Humans and animals have a sense organs like eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. Plants does not have a sense organs but they can feel. Lotus flowers opens at sunrise and closes at night. Non-living things have two types, natural and man-made. Example of natural non-living things are sun, rocks and water. Examples of man-made non-living things are toy, house and clothes. Natural non-living things, things which are not made by man. Man-made non-living things, things which are made by man.